I know y'all ain't tired of me. Y'all love watching me and battling these whatever it is. Bug, squirrel, chipmunks. We in this together. Okay. This is upsetting to say the least. Y'all know we have been battling whatever has been out here in the yard. I was about to go and get peppermint and put out in the yard, maybe as a deterrent, or the garden as a deterrent for whatever is coming out here and eating up our seeds that we planted. I was like, I'm gonna sow an abundance of corn this year. But I'm guessing that's not gonna be so because I think whatever has been out here has eaten every kernel of corn except for a few. So what I have decided to do is bring the lights back out. We took the lights out because I watched Deep South Homestead, and he made a point that said that we love to see the lights in our gardens, but we are not aware that those lights are actually attracting bugs. And I looked it up, and he was absolutely right. We kept wondering why we were battling all of these tomato bugs last year, and it probably was attributed to the lights that we had. Sure, it kept away the other things, but it introduced the bugs. We did not have a good crop of tomatoes, and we had always had a good crop of tomatoes. And when I thought about it after he said it, and then I researched it, we had those lights right in between those tomatoes. I'm at my wit's end. My husband's like, you go out there and get that peppermint. You go to the store and get some peppermint. It's going to take over that entire garden. And I was like, you are absolutely right, because that's the same thing I pulled from the raised beds. It's not peppermint, but it's lemon balm mint, and it grew like crazy. So let's install the lights back out here until we find out how else we are going to keep these pesky things from digging up the seeds that we planted, okay? Y'all know I'm still choosing joy. Lights are out. I don't know if they're gonna light up tonight or not, but I have looked out the window and seen them sparkling, even though we did not have them out in the garden. They've been sparkling over in the corner. So we will see what's going to happen, okay? Y'all stay tuned. I mean, this is a fight, man, because I really wanted like a lot of corn that I could plant this year and then harvest and put in the freezer and start on my MREs. I was going to use my own corn to make my MREs with all the vegetables that I get from in the garden. We're still going to make the MREs. We probably have to do that minus the corn. We'll just see what the Lord has in store for this harvest this year. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Hey, don't forget, we're not only choosing joy, we're spreading joy as well. Okay? Bye-bye. Till next time.